Welcome back. Today we are making a quick Indian coconut shrimp masala entirely in the microwave, with juicy shrimp, warm spices, tomato, and a creamy sauce in one bowl. It is bold, comforting, and perfect when you want real flavor fast. This recipe makes 4 servings, and the total preparation time is 20 minutes. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 1 pound raw shrimp. Peeled and deveined shrimp cook quickly in the microwave, so keep them thawed, cold, and patted dry for the best texture. 1 tablespoon neutral oil helps the onions soften and carries the spices through the sauce. Use a mild oil so the masala flavor stays bright. 1/2 cup finely chopped onion builds the sweet base of the masala. Small pieces soften quickly, which is perfect for microwave cooking. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste gives the dish its classic Indian aroma. It blooms fast once the onions are hot. 1/2 cup tomato puree adds body, color, and gentle tang. It thickens into the base before the shrimp goes in. 1 teaspoon ground cumin brings earthy warmth to the sauce. It makes the microwave masala taste deep, not rushed. 1 teaspoon ground coriander adds citrusy spice and balances the richness of the coconut milk. It keeps the sauce fragrant and rounded. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric gives the masala its golden color. A little is enough to make the sauce glow. 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder adds gentle heat and a beautiful red tint. It is flavorful without overpowering the shrimp. 3/4 teaspoon fine salt seasons the shrimp and the sauce from the inside out. This amount keeps the coconut masala balanced. 1/2 cup full-fat coconut milk makes the sauce creamy and smooth. Full-fat coconut milk also protects the shrimp from tasting dry. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice wakes up the finished masala. Add it at the end so the flavor stays fresh. 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro finish the dish with color and freshness. Stir in just enough to brighten every bite. To begin the preparation, pat 1 pound raw peeled and deveined shrimp dry with a clean paper towel, then keep the shrimp chilled while we start the masala. Dry shrimp absorb the sauce better and cook more evenly. Now that the shrimp is ready, add 1 tablespoon neutral oil and 1/2 cup finely chopped onion to a clear 2-quart microwave-safe glass bowl. Stir so the onion is lightly coated with oil. Cover the bowl loosely with the vented lid and microwave on high power for 3 minutes. The onion should look softer and slightly glossy when it comes out. After the onions soften, stir in 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste until it disappears into the hot onion. Microwave uncovered on high power for 1 minute to bloom that aroma. Now stir 1/2 cup tomato puree into the onion mixture. Scrape around the sides of the bowl so the tomato and aromatics become one even base. With the tomato in place, add 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, and 3/4 teaspoon fine salt. Stir until the mixture looks like a thick orange masala paste. Microwave the masala paste uncovered on high power for 2 minutes. This cooks off the raw tomato edge and makes the spices taste rounded. Carefully remove the hot bowl and stir the masala well. It should be thicker, darker, and glossy, with a little oil shining around the edges. Now pour in 1/2 cup full-fat coconut milk. Stir slowly until the sauce is smooth, creamy, and evenly orange. Microwave the sauce uncovered on high power for 1 minute. This warms the coconut milk and brings the masala together before the shrimp is added. Once the sauce is hot, add the chilled 1 pound of shrimp to the bowl. Fold gently until every piece is coated in the coconut masala. Spread the coated shrimp into an even layer in the bowl. This matters because the microwave cooks most evenly when the shrimp are not piled in the center. Cover the bowl loosely again and microwave on high power for 2 minutes. The shrimp will begin to turn pink around the edges while the sauce bubbles gently. Carefully uncover the bowl, stir the shrimp, and turn any gray pieces toward the outside edge. Cover loosely again, because the outside of the bowl gets more microwave energy. Microwave on high power for 1 minute. If any shrimp are still gray, continue in 30-second bursts for up to 1 more minute, just until the shrimp are opaque, curled, and reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. To close the cooking, let the covered bowl rest for 2 minutes so the heat settles gently through the shrimp. Then stir in 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, and the masala is ready to plate. Here's our microwave Indian coconut shrimp masala, creamy, spicy, and ready fast without standing over the stove. It gives you juicy shrimp and a rich masala sauce in 4 servings, just like promised. Serve it hot, spooning plenty of sauce over each portion. If you enjoyed this quick microwave recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy cooking.